Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create scrolling timeline animation in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to click on new project and then I'm going to go to the CapCut library to get black background. You can go to the search menu and then search for black background or black screen. Alright, and you can choose this one and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and wait, I'm going to extend the duration like this, and then we can go to the text option, add text, and we can add the timeline text. I'm just going to paste it because I have copied the text, and I click on the check mark, and I'm going to make it smaller, but wait, I'm going to make it align with my background. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom out like this to make it smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to use keyframe to create the scrolling effect. So we can click on the text and then place this spirator or this pointer at the beginning of your text and tap on the keyframe, and I'm going to move it down like this. This is for the first position. You can make it out of frame and then go to the end part, and then you can move it up like this until it disappears. Okay, this is the result, and we're going to save this video. Click on export, and we're going to create new project. Okay, tap on new project and you can add the exported video. Okay, this one, I'm going to add it to my project, and then we can put mask. Tap on your video and then you can go to the mask option. Okay, and select the rectangle mask, and you can make it smaller like this, and then adjust the feather. Alright, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling timeline animation in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.